We hear voices coming for nap time. And here he is! What are you doing, Matthew? Are you standing up? You are? Yeah, standing up in your crib. What are you going to tell us? Is that pretty fun? Yes, you need to chew on it. Careful. What you doing? Yeah, you're standing up. You're a big boy. You're a big boy. You're pretty funny. You're pretty funny. Are you going to show us another trick? Bye, Matthew. Bye-bye.